Hello guys, my name is Lav and welcome to my garage. Today we are going to continue our work with the V6 Ford Capri, which was built in 1984. And today we are going to make a very interesting thing. My favorite thing is a paint job. We're gonna paint it, but first we are going to prepare it because all in all, this thing can run and drive. If you haven't seen my previous series, so you're welcome to look through them with this hint. So now it run and drive, it has brakes, the engine starts, and we have almost no problems with the technical part. So we are going to make the interior soon, but today we are going to finish our job with the color and other stuff. So let's continue. So, our car is kind of dirty. It's very difficult to remove all this dirt. It's not dirt, it's oil, it's brake fluid and all that things now are covering our Ford Capri. But have a look on that thing. We added a glass, so now this glass, it's brand new, that's why it's such color. But we can remove this protective thing, but I'm gonna make it soon, not now. But now we have a glass right here. And I wish we had same glass over here, like a main window, but we're gonna make it in future. But now let's start it and drive to our paint room. As you already know, this V6 engine is an old carburetor engine, and to start that things we need a special gas. Put it, Vanya, давай. Okay, and then start the engine like this. Oh, давай, давай. Sometimes it needs more time. It needs more time, but we're gonna make it. Давай! Похуй. As you can hear and as you can see, this car is really powerful, and I wish the day these things comes out of my garage will come as soon as possible. And if you're also waiting to test this thing out, subscribe to my channel right now. But today we're gonna to make it not even sound cool. Today we're gonna make it look cool. So let's put the car hood. Look, this car hood is always traveling around my garage. Vanya, help me out. And now, finally, we're gonna put it on. We already have some kind of paint job on it, but it just was a fun. But today we're gonna make a professional paint job. Okay. As you remember in our previous videos, we put a primer, a professional high quality primer. So it keeps here in a white color. So we also need to put, so these glasses, these parts are protected with film. And now we need to protect the wheels and protect that side. So, now I've changed my clothes to look like a professional, and now I'm ready to make a professional paint job. Oh. When I will finish, my car will gonna be looking like this, but in a different color. So today you're gonna know what color we're gonna use. So my equipment is ready, like this. So let's get started. Так, Vanya, please help me. So now let's see the color. The color is gonna be black. Ну, Вань! Так, one more time, please. Okay. Don't move that thing, please. Okay, that's enough. And now we're gonna remove the extras, and we need to add second. So now this car is completely painted, but we have to let it dry completely before we continue working with that car. So now we need, don't touch that thing, and let's get away from that room as soon as possible, because this smell literally kills you. Let's go. We've been waiting for 1 day and 1 night, and now our paint is completely dried. And also we installed the lights, and now this car looking nicely, yeah? It looks really powerful. But this is not final design. We're gonna paint more of it, and also we're gonna modify and change these lights, but now it has nicely looking outfit. But let's continue working with it. From the inside, this car is still a garbage. Ay. Что, попал, что ли? Okay, and now I'm gonna turn this black part into white, interesting thing with this spray can. Nice color, I think. So let's start. I'm a little bit worried, but let's start. So while we've been waiting for our paint to get completely dried, we put a shadow solar shade film on that windows to make it black. But now we can remove that thing and have a look what we get. So now we've done with our doors, with our windows. Now they have a cool, nice looking black shadow things. We finished our paint job. Now we have this white thing, but I think this is not a final view. We're gonna add some white strings, some white straps, maybe, I'm not sure what exactly, but some other white decorations will be added. And if you have any ideas, write down your comments below. And soon, I think really soon, maybe in 1 month, we're gonna finish that project and it's gonna have a really cool look. And moreover, this thing is gonna be super fast and super draggy. So, if you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Of course, leave your comments and I will appreciate your help very much. My name is Slav, see you soon, bye bye.